frozen as soon as she gets in.
Why are you throwing those, pal?
How
Hi.
far is that key in your mouth?
Don't worry about it, Dad.
What
My
else
teeth
do you
hurt.
have there?
What's in there, babe?
Good stuff out of
You hear your phone making noise. Oh, Atticus, you alright?
Doggy might have hurt herself.
No, she's fine.
You brute. You dropped the phone on your foot. Your foot's trapped. You're pinned under the phone. Get this phone off my
She's
foot
squeezing her
now.
knee. You see her squeezing her knee.
What's going on there?
I can't move her yet. I want to see it.
Good job.
Atticus, move, sweetie.
Atticus, back.
Back up, baby girl.
Good girl.
Good job, boo boo. Throw Daddy the ball. He'll throw it again.
Sit.
You gonna do some walking?
See ya.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye. You gonna do some walking?
I'm out of here.
She's gonna hit the recliner. Whoa! Daddy will help you, babe. Lila, that was so funny.
You can't just keep pushing. You gotta go around What did you do? It said hit me.
What's your plan, man?
Turn it.
Hi, Lila. Oh boy, whoa.
You avoided the chair pretty nicely so far.
Hi.
Clipping it.
Very
no.
serious about walking.
Why isn't the back left wheel even on the ground?
I don't know.
Doesn't want to work.
Here, put her back this way.
Is it locked? Hold on. Do we have one wheel locked?